Hi, I'm Webb from MECREE LED. In this video we gonna talking about tennis court lighting. Successful tennis court lighting begins with good design. The main factors to be considered in the design process are quantity of LED floodlight and quality of LED floodlight. The quantity of LED light is expressed as an average lux level and is usually determined by the level of a game tennis. General guidelines recommend lower levels for fun, medium levels for club standard and high levels for international or professional grade. The quality of LED light is evaluated by the degree of light uniformity and lack of glare. Optimum uniformity is achieved by using light fittings that provide the correct light distribution and that are positioned appropriately around the perimeter of the court. Glare is kept to a minimum by utilizing light fittings with precise cut-off distribution. For optimum design, a product has to offer more than reliability, performance and value. It must also become part of the environment, deliver minimal environmental impact and be energy efficient. Our range of products can be tailored to meet your budget and application constraints. With our professional staff we are able to assist with your total lighting solution. Prior to purchasing MECREE LED sports field lights, a photometric lighting design dialog simulation was provided to ensure the correct light distributions were provided for an even coverage of the arena with the proper amount of light. By converting to LED energy-saving lights, the players are able to enjoy a clear, consistent light providing safety while also saving 70% on electricity costs and eliminating lighting maintenance. MECREE can provide LED floodlights to illuminate tennis courts according to any standard. Illumination can be provided for single tennis courts as well as multiple courts in a cage. If you have any project, feel free to contact us. MECREE team will try best to support you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.